Hey guys, it's Paul Nicholson here. I've got some great training for you, some Zoho CRM training. It's 100% free to sign up. Full training, everything you're going to need to know to use Zoho CRM. If you're currently using it, you're thinking about using it, or you want to know more about it, this is perfect for you. If you want to be the guy in the office that just takes over the CRM and runs it, you're going to like this too. Just click on the button, sign up here. You can sign up at the top there. 100% free. There's no catch. There is, it's all inside its YouTube videos. I'm going to show you in a second. I'm going to log in and show you. I am going to look for the next level though. You'll see at the bottom of every page. So, there's no catch. This is free. If you don't want to go any further over me later, that's fine. But I'm using ClickFunnels. So Zoho CRM's all about funnels, sales funnels, project funnels, invoicing. Well, not so much CRM, but further on, am I getting paid for the products? There's a funnel everywhere, isn't it? And what I want to do is get people firstly into your sales funnel. So you've probably come to this page from a YouTube video. That's how I get a lot of my people, from social media. And now I'm going to put you into a sales page. And I want you to then log in and sign up. And then you go into my funnel. So everything's about a funnel now. You know your business. You're probably using Zoho CRM. If you don't realize you're using a CRM for a funnel, then you should be looking into what's a sales funnel. But I'm pretty sure you're all better than me. 99% people realize this is a sales funnel that I'm in. Or I've got a sales team that need to create funnels. So what I'm doing is free Zoho training, no catch. It's fine. Just do the training. If we don't go any deeper, that's cool. But then I'm launching something you'll see down the bottom here called Funnel Launcher. And that's where I'm going to tie in ClickFunnels with Zoho, with my training. So both Zoho CRM and ClickFunnels, the support is not as amazing as you'd like. It's probably why you're even here, because you know Zoho CRM maybe aren't answering the questions that you'd like. And we're going to tie all these three things together. We'll talk about social media. We're going to talk about websites. We're going to talk about email automation and stuff like that. So Funnel Launcher is going deeper actually before your CRM, and then your CRM, your Zoho CRM's being better afterwards with customer relationship management. So sign up, dive in, ask me questions. It's totally free. Look, sign up now. Just create an account. I've already got one obviously, but let me just put in Paul video. Save a password and create an account. You'll see no credit cards. It's not one of those free deals where asked for your credit card details later. And then over the side here, we've got all these separate sections. I've actually lost a section. I'll have to check that out. The introduction sections seems to have vanished, but I'll check it out. So you're going to see these are official Zoho training videos, the first two sections. There was no point me reinventing Zoho's wheel if there was already 20 videos created by those guys. But then we're going to go deeper. If for you people using free Zoho, then I've got all Zoho videos here for you for the free version. Then we're going to go into enterprise level, using it in a deeper way. Why do we use Zoho? Go into specific training. Certain categories, certain industries might want to use it a different way. I've got a real estate one I'm about to record. We're going to talk about Zoho 1 because that's a real next level Zoho. That's taking your Zoho CRM and adding Zoho inventory and subscriptions and invoices and checkout and social media stuff. Zoho 1's really cool. And then we've got a Q&A. Where at the top, I'm actually going to put in this why the introduction's gone missing. But in the introduction, it says ask a question. And then we're going to I'll ask a place where you can add a question. And I create a video depending on your questions. So there's a lot of custom, how do you connect a remote database to your Zoho CRM? How do you change potential names for stages if you use sales names different? How to create a contract. This was a big one. This is actually the most popular lesson, how to create a contract in Zoho Sign, and then from your Zoho CRM deal, auto-populate a contract and then sign and send it away for signing. A lot of people obviously create contracts, want people to sign them. So just come to paulnicholson.com/Zoho. It'll jump you into the sales page. Sign up. Send me a contact. But play around with it. Play around with the lessons. Get in touch with me. I want to help you. And again, what we want to do next is we're going to go funnel launcher. We're going to talk about these sales funnels. We're going to talk about getting more people into your sales funnels, getting you making more sales, getting your business, you're probably already flying, but really getting your business productive and profitable as it can be so that you can do even more work. Thanks for watching, guys. Any questions, as always, just send me a message. Cheers, guys.